Want to inject some serious impact into your videos? Learn how to create a perfectly frozen moment in DaVinci Resolve 18. Let's get this done. To pause the action for a dramatic effect or a cool creative touch. First, grab your playhead and move it to the exact frame where you want the freeze. You can drag it along the timeline or use your keyboard's arrow keys to pinpoint it. Once you've found your perfect frame, just right-click on the clip. Right there, a menu will pop up. In that menu, choose Add Freeze Frame. See that? DaVinci Resolve has made a new clip from the frame you picked. This new clip is essentially a still picture of that exact moment. Now, you can control how long this freeze lasts. Just click and drag the edge of this new clip to make it shorter or longer, whatever fits your vision. To check it out, move your playhead to the beginning of the freeze frame clip and hit play. The video will stop dead on your chosen image. And don't stop there. You can treat this freeze frame like any other clip. Use the inspector panel to add effects, adjust colors, or scale it up while you get creative. The freeze frame is a simple trick, but it's incredibly effective for adding that professional polish to your video projects.